When you have a chronic illness, you learn how to hurt.
Gene therapy is really the fix, and it's the only fix, right now in our disease space.
Well, even though I've lost my child, I am still hopeful, and it's because there is so much hope.
This is going to be a remarkable change in the way we practice medicine.
Gene therapy treats the root cause of the disease for a patient with a genetic disease.
Genetic disorders are often caused by faulty genes or errors in our body's instruction code and can create painful, life-threatening health issues. While genetic disorders can be complex, there are some treatment options available, and more are on the horizon.
We're seeing for the first time the promise that started more than 20 years ago, which is that we're able to go in and actually fix diseases. It's clearly a time in which we are now going to be able to harness the promise of cells as a therapeutic and genes to change the course of disease. And the opportunity is now shifting from the idea that you can only take a stem cell and repair an injured tissue to the idea of using cells as a vehicle to deliver therapeutic and to heal. And that's perhaps one of the most exciting parts.
What's exciting is that for patients, there is a safe alternative to the other therapies that are available today. And rather than waiting a long time for the patient's own body to, in some cases, try to repair the injury, we're able to do that outside of the patient's body with their own cells and provide a personalized cell therapy that ultimately restores function more quickly and treats pain at the source.
We take genetic information that's outside of the body, and through molecular surgery, we introduce it into the cell. And when it goes into the cell, it's almost like if there's a light bulb out, you're swapping out the light bulb, and with that new information, things become functional and they begin to work again.
So gene therapy could be used and is being trialed right now for more common diseases. For example, heart disease, Parkinson's disease, even osteoarthritis.
We're really on the cusp of major advances in cell and gene medicine, yet at the same time, the vast majority of people really don't understand what cell and gene medicine and gene therapy is.
The ARM Foundation for Cell and Gene Medicine is a leading voice in engaging and educating patients, caregivers, the community, healthcare providers, and medical researchers about a variety of topics in cell and gene medicine.
Our flagship educational program is called Healing Genes. The website is healinggenes.org.
All of our resources are really designed to help people learn about cell and gene medicine in a simple, easy way to make this journey a little bit easier.
Healing Genes is a great resource because it teaches people the overall science and terminology.
It's really important for us as patient advocacy organizations to be able to send patients to websites and to content that they can trust is accurate.
We are spending a lot of our time and attention on making sure that we have the most accurate information available to patients, caregivers, and other stakeholders. And we're doing that by working with the real experts in the field.
These new therapies are changing medicine and transforming lives, and there's so much potential for them, but we can't reach the full potential unless we as a society understand them, understand how they work, and the benefit that they have to our families.
Everyone's life is going to be touched in some way by the advances that are being made in cell and gene medicine.
I think in the future what we'll see is that you'll go see your doctor and he will have information about your entire genome.
We have a mission to help patients and the public writ large understand how these technologies work, why they work, and ultimately what they can do for patients in terms of saving lives, transforming their lives, and helping them really live the highest possible quality of life that they can.
With cell and gene medicine, the future of healing is at our doorstep. Join our community at healinggenes.org.